Hey, it's David Farmer, and today we're going to be talking about sales funnels, specifically how dealerships can utilize sales funnels to generate more leads, more traffic, and more sales. Now, sales funnels really is a very simple idea that is going to start with some type of call to action, like an advertisement, maybe on Facebook, and it's going to bring the customer to a specific landing page that's designed to guide the customer through a process that ultimately results in a specific action to take place, like the customer buying something or converting into a lead, which is really the end result that we're looking for on a car dealership website. That lead can be something like just contacting us, getting a best price, or even something a little bit more specific like scheduling a test drive, getting a trade value, getting a real offer for their vehicle, calculating a deal instead of building their deal online, getting their free credit score, getting pre-qualified. So you kind of see where I'm going, that we can utilize the full Entice 360 lead conversion products as that end result in a sales funnel on your dealership website. So what we've done with our full package, Entice 360, we're going to include our social media marketing services, our search engine marketing services, and everything that goes along with that: display, YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, email marketing, to drive and create compelling advertisements, and then design sales funnels to bring customers down to the point where they are going to engage and convert in a much higher percentage than you would in a traditional dealership website. And let's face it, traditional dealership websites really have not changed in years, if not decades. And they're really not designed as highly effective sales funnels. They're really designed just to provide information to consumers. I mean, you got a homepage with some information on it. You got SRPs where customers can search vehicles. That's going to lead you to a VDP where you can get more information about that individual vehicle. Then maybe a service page, a parts page, contact us page. And from my experience, looking at dealership websites all across the country, most of the time what I see is just generic content with a simple lead form kind of peppered throughout the dealership website. No real strong structured sales process that's designed to connect with advertising, calls to action, compelling, unique selling propositions, and bringing that customer through a sales funnel that ultimately results in leads for your dealership internet sales department or BDC to reach out and create some dialogue with the customer. So today, what I want to do is kind of look at this idea of how can a dealership utilize sales funnels. Now, I'm going to share my screen real quick. When I share my screen, it's going to show us our Entice 360 package. Now, that's going to include, like I said, all of our digital marketing, our lead conversion, our content creation process, everything that we do in one simple package. And a big part of that is going to be our sales funnel, which we call our companion website. This companion site is designed to bolt on to your existing dealership website, because we know that you kind of have to have what you have, right? You got OEM programs where you have to have a dealership website from certain providers, and you can only utilize certain technologies. And I mean, it's a mess in the automotive space. But what we're going to do is we're going to provide you a way to be able to bolt on some really cool best practice lead conversion solutions, sales funnels, right on that existing dealership website. So you don't have to change that. This is just going to add on to it. So what we've done is we've looked at solutions in the marketplace that are highly effective at creating sales funnels. And one company that does really a great job is ClickFunnels. And if you're, into digital marketing and that's something that's a passion of yours, I'm sure you've heard of ClickFunnels, and you've probably thought, well, how can I utilize something like these ClickFunnels sales funnels for my dealership website when they don't have tools such as inventory integration or being able to complete credit applications or scheduling a test drive and digital retailing tools and all of this. It becomes pretty difficult. Well, that's where we come in. What we've done is we've created a full set of tools that allows you to take the strategies that is provided by ClickFunnels, but really specifically designed only for car dealerships. Now, there's a great video out there. I'm only going to play a little bit of it. This is a ClickFunnels marketing video, and I'll include a link in the YouTube show notes below, or in the show notes wherever you're getting this, to be able to come and look at this. It's like a 3 or 4 minute video. I'm not going to play the whole thing here, but I want to play just a little bit of it. Let me go ahead and do that right now.
I'll prove it. Here's your website. A confusing maze of distractions and dead ends. ClickFunnels, on the other hand, is a series of online steps that guides the customer through the sale. What happens?
So you can see right there, that kind of gives you an idea of what they're talking about when they're creating these ClickFunnels or sales funnels. There's another piece somewhere right along here. Let's see if I can find it. Yeah, they talk about it here. I'll play that.
Using websites fail because they don't guide the customer to the sale. My grandmother used to embroider this on pillows in the 80s. It sounded senile at the time, but in hindsight, probably shouldn't.
So anyway, it's kind of a funny video talking about ClickFunnels and why a traditional website really is not effective in getting that end result, a sale or a lead. But that's where we can help with our solutions. So what you're looking at right here is this companion website. It's designed again, it's designed to connect directly to an existing dealership website. It creates these highly engaging sales funnels to get a customer to convert into a lead. When a customer arrives at the site, we're going to use our $25 test drive offer to have the customer register to receive this $25 Visa reward card to convert into a lead. Or if they don't want to, they can click away. And all of these lead conversion tools through the Entice 360 program, we can add them to your existing dealership website. So any organic traffic that you're able to get from your dealership website, it's going to optimize that whole experience in addition to having these sales funnels. So this would be a highly optimized sales funnel. It's going to start with converting your customer around the idea of getting an offer for their vehicle. This is the same effective call to action like companies like Carvana, CarMax, and AutoNation are using to be able to get those. And then we're going to provide the ability for a customer to shop new vehicles, used vehicles, look at individual offers, or get a sell or trade value for their vehicle, because we know that is a highly engaged customer when a customer gets that value from your dealership. And then we're going to kind of walk the customer through the benefits of doing business with your dealership. In this case, we're talking about selling your car. So this is going to be an advertisement that we're going to start with, hey, we'll buy your car even if you don't buy from us. We have a lot of different examples of the top of the funnel that we can use on Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, Google search, display ads to get customers to engage into the sales funnel. Then we're going to walk them down the process, including video. And all along the way, we're going to have different CTAs. So at any point a customer is ready to engage and convert with the lead conversion, they have the ability, it's going to open up that tool right on that page. And then not just having a simple lead form, but we're going to have an engaging experience the customer can have. For example, entering their plate number or their VIN number to get a real offer. If they want to learn more, they can jump in and watch the video about Express Cash Offer in this case. And again, we're going to continue to talk more about the Express Cash Offer. Get your offer, trade or sell, get a check. We promise to give you a better offer than Carvana, CarMax, Vroom, Shift, We Buy Any Car, Pedal, AutoNation, even Kelley Blue Book or Auto Trader. And then again, they can just click this, open up that lead conversion solution. If we don't catch them there, they can continue to kind of walk down this sales funnel, learn more about it, just enter your VIN or your plate. Maybe a customer's ready to do at this point, or they're wanting to learn a little bit more. And then you can see here, we're going to include other CTAs and building value in the process. So that's an example of a sales funnel around an express cash offer or a real offer. Now we can look at other sales funnels. For example, with this dealership, express buying is here. We include promotional video from the dealership. We talk about all of the pieces and providing these different CTAs for customers to engage with, such as, hey, maybe they want to schedule a test drive. They can schedule a test drive right now. They can do that right from this CTA. It's going to open up that lead conversion tool for test drive. You can kind of go down here, get your best price up front. You can find your car, so a customer can click that and search for vehicles, which we're going to do in just a second. Or maybe they want to get a trade-in value. You can jump in and get a trade-in value right from this part of the sales funnel. So you can see we're stepping the customer through, providing more information, and we're ready to convert that customer into a lead as soon as they're ready. They can even research additional preferred products. They can jump in and get that information. And we include video content. And you can see all of this information. This is all published content on this site that's going to add value to your top level domain. So not only are we providing these sales funnels, but we're building search engine optimization for your dealership's website at the exact same time, since this is all published content. So we bring in your product provider's products right into a page like this on a sales funnel page. And then the CTA that we're going to continue to use is search cars, which is going to bring that customer directly to a search results page. And in addition to being a search results page, this also becomes a sales funnel. You can see here we have the ability for a customer to shop by payment, and this works great on tablet, on mobile, on desktop. Customer can select the type of vehicle that they might be interested in, and then they can select their payment range, their desired payment range. And then you can get pre-qualified and shop by payment, or you can just skip the pre-qualify and just shop by payment. If you click this CTA, again, getting that customer an opportunity to convert into a lead right away. Here's our credit score express technology here, ready to convert that customer into a lead. So you can see how we've embedded all these CTAs in a very seamless process as the customer is walking through all of these all of these pages on the dealership's website. I can also, look at different payment options here. All of that is available. And then if I were to jump in and look at an individual vehicle, so this is a search results page, but it's also a sales funnel around engaging the customer in different activities, such as unlocking a payment, starting their deal, getting a trade-in value, or getting a seller trade offer, learning more, service and protection plans. We've got videos, get your free credit score, getting pre-qualified, schedule a test drive. We include our CTA conversion block right there. So that's going to be included. And then we have other CTAs right up on top. We got a CTA there for Express Cash Offer. We even have our icon bar that's always accessible down the bottom left-hand corner. So all of these are individual sales funnels that are embedded on this conversion site that gets bolted onto your dealership's website. And what's great about these is we also share Google Analytics code on these pages to your existing dealership website, so you never lose visibility into customer activity. We set up cross-domain tracking, so all of that is going to be available between your main dealership website and these companion websites. Now, another thing I want to talk about today is the top of the funnel. So this is equally as important as the sales funnel itself, and that is how we can use digital marketing to engage with more customers and then really provide this great landing page experience that's optimized for lead conversion. So for example, if you're advertising on Facebook, great CTAs that we can utilize is going to be around monthly ad specials for your dealership. And those monthly ad specials can be finance APR specials. They can be lease payments. I think a great way to go, and what I recommend dealers to do, is just to utilize their factory incentives. Most dealerships do a poor job of leveraging those factory incentives quickly and putting them in a highly engaging advertisement on any of these digital platforms. With the Entice content creation engine that we have created, we can create massive amounts of lead conversion or massive amounts of advertisements for all of these platforms to get customers to engage at that top part of the funnel and then drive them into these sales funnels. And I want to share with you some examples of what some of these can look like. I'm going to share my screen again here. So these are some Facebook or some YouTube videos that I have created. This is a quick video that we can actually look at an example of some of these Facebook ads. Let me pause this. Let me open it up full screen so you can see it a little bit better. So this is a automated inventory ad. Automated inventory ad is kind of a staple of Facebook marketing. And if you're, I'm not sure, if you're curious about whether your dealership is running AIA ads or not, go to Facebook, go along the left-hand side, you'll see page transparency. Click into that, and then you can click onto your ads library, and then you'll see exactly what ads are running for your dealership. This is an example of one of our AIA ads that we're running for a dealership. You can see that we've created this custom frame that it kind of incorporates the branding elements that we've created for our dealerships. In this case, we're leveraging the Advantage Club for this dealership with lifetime warranty. We're bringing in all of the images from the vehicle inventory. And if a customer clicks through one of these ads, we can drop them right on either the dealership's SRP or VDP, or we can drop them into our sales funnel VDP. So that's available for you as well. Here's an example of, let's look at another Facebook specials ad. So you can see here, this is one of our specials ads. And you can see what we're doing here is we're utilizing an APR special offer. We're using any rebate offers, whether those are national programs or individual vehicle offers. And then again, we're branding it with any unique selling proposition such as lifetime warranty. Or if you have an Advantage program or anything else, we can use that in that advertising, or we can use any tier 1 advertising, such as if it's Toyotathon or Happy Honda Days, or any of the tier 1 advertisements. We can incorporate that into that. Now, these ads, a customer can click on one of these ads, and then when we generate these ad placements for dealers, we're going to use different landing page experience. Some is going to be SRPs right on the main site, which is going to include any of your CTAs. They also can include our CTA block. Or in this other example here, you'll be able to see that if a customer clicks into this, we're going to bring them to what I'm going to talk about next, and that is our sales funnel for specials. So you can see here as the customer is flipping around there, I'm actually going to go to that page itself. So this is an example of that specials page. So very similar to our VDP on the sales funnel companion site, where we're going to include the offer. We're going to include a finance offer or anything else. In this case, that's a pre-order. We're going to use that as a CTA to get engagement. And then we're going to include other things about the dealership. So in this case, we have an experience more guarantee, extended service hours, 24-hour roadside assistance, Express Cash Offer, Credit Score Express, Express Test Drive, Shopper Express, Finance Express. All of these are great CTAs talking about different things a dealership can utilize. We then build in our lead conversion funnels, such as get a real offer, get a Kelley Blue Book, a credit score, and schedule a test drive. And you can do that all along here where the customer has all of these CTAs right on this page. We can actually go back and look at all of the different offers that are available from the dealership. And these are the offers that we're going to incorporate in Facebook, in display, on the Google Display Network, in many different areas, in many different ways, many different ad sizes, to again start that customer into a sales funnel, drive the customer into your dealership's website, onto one of either these companion pages or a page on your dealership website. All of these are, of course, highly optimized for lead conversion. In this case right here, we have our trade value solution in this interactive banner on the top of these. So you can see that we have a lot of different sales funnels that are built into our companion sites, all built into this idea of utilizing Entice 360 to be able to create advertisements across all of digital marketing, driving the customers into step by step, walking them through this very easy to utilize sales funnel that's not going to put roadblocks in front of customers. And again, all of this is going to add SEO value. So today, what I wanted to really talk about is ClickFunnels, sales funnels, how dealerships can utilize sales funnels to increase lead conversion, to drive more leads, more traffic to your dealership website, and then ultimately more sales. So that's going to do it for me today. I appreciate your time watching our videos like I always do. You're going to find this video plus many others at entice.com.